These AI miniature restoration videos are exploding across social media. And this brand new Instagram page has already crossed 72,000 followers using nothing but this content style. Even more impressive, several of its videos have already pulled in millions of views. And they're still growing. The craziest part? These hyper-realistic, satisfying videos can be made with AI in just a couple of minutes. Take a look at one I created in only 2 minutes. The miniature workers, realistic restoration effects, and satisfying transformations make these videos almost impossible to stop watching. So, let's jump straight in at how you can make them completely free. First, open ChatGPT, paste this prompt, and press enter. It will instantly generate 20 viral object ideas for you to choose from, where you can simply pick any object you want. This way, you'll always have fresh content ideas. Next, choose your favorite object and open the prompt link in the description below. Copy the entire prompt because everything has already been set up for you. You only need to edit one small part. Now open Google Flow, select Video, choose Omni Flash as the model, and configure the rest of your preferred settings. Then paste the prompt into the prompt box. Copy your chosen object name from ChatGPT and replace the desired object section inside the prompt. That's the only edit you need to make. Once it's ready, click Generate, and within seconds your AI miniature restoration video will be complete. And that's the entire workflow. Simply swap the object each time, and you can create unlimited unique miniature restoration videos without spending hours editing. If you want to discover more viral AI content ideas before everyone else, subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next trending AI niche.